Most people look at the universe and think of stars, galaxies, and endless beauty, but there's a side we rarely talk about. A side where nothing behaves the way it should, where space itself bends, time slows down, and entire stars disappear without a trace. Black holes swallowing light, dark matter holding galaxies together while remaining completely invisible, and dark energy pushing the universe apart faster every second. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we actually understand. Because the universe isn't just bright and beautiful. It's also silent, strange, and deeply unsettling in ways that challenge everything we think is real. Today we will talk about the dark side of the universe nobody talks about. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The universe beyond human vision. The universe we see with our eyes, or even with powerful telescopes, is only a very small fragment of what actually exists. Everything we can observe, stars, planets, galaxies, gas clouds, and cosmic dust, makes up less than 5% of the total universe. The remaining 95% is completely invisible and unknown in its true nature. This hidden majority is divided into two mysterious components, dark matter and dark energy. These are not just distant concepts, but fundamental parts of reality that control how the universe behaves on the largest scales. The most unsettling part is that we do not directly detect them through light or any electromagnetic signal. Instead, we only infer their existence through gravitational effects and cosmic expansion. This means the foundation of our cosmic understanding is built on something we cannot actually see or fully measure. As a result, the universe is not just what we observe. It is something far deeper, more hidden, and far more complex than human perception can grasp. 2. Black holes, the point of no return. Black holes represent one of the most extreme and terrifying phenomena in the universe. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycle. The result is a region in space where gravity becomes so intense that not even light can escape it. The boundary surrounding a black hole is called the event horizon, and once anything crosses it, escape becomes impossible. Inside physics as we know it breaks down completely. Time slows down dramatically near this boundary, and space itself becomes warped. Some black holes are small, while others are supermassive, containing millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun. These giants sit at the centers of galaxies silently, shaping their structure and evolution. Despite being invisible, black holes are some of the most powerful forces in the cosmos, capable of consuming stars and distorting entire regions of space. 3. Dark matter, the invisible framework. One of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics is dark matter, a substance that cannot be seen but appears to make up about 27% of the universe. Scientists first suspected its existence when they observed that galaxies were rotating in a way that could not be explained by visible matter alone. Without additional unseen mass, galaxies should fly apart due to their rotation speed. Dark matter provides the extra gravitational pull needed to hold them together. However, despite decades of research, no one knows what dark matter actually is. It does not interact with light or electromagnetic forces, making it completely invisible. Scientists only know it exists because of its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. It forms an invisible scaffold that shapes the structure of the universe, yet remains completely undetectable by current instruments. 4. Dark energy, the force that pushes everything apart. Even more mysterious than dark matter is dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe. Unlike gravity, which pulls objects together, dark energy appears to push space itself apart. This means that the universe is not just expanding, it is expanding at an accelerating rate. This discovery shocked scientists in the late 1990s when they observed distant supernovae and realized that galaxies are moving away from each other faster over time. Dark energy is believed to be responsible for this acceleration, but its nature is completely unknown. Some theories suggest it is a property of space itself, while others propose it could be a new type of energy field. Whatever it is, dark energy is shaping the ultimate fate of the universe, potentially, leading to a future where galaxies drift so far apart that the night sky becomes completely empty. 5. Cosmic voids, the great nothingness. Between galaxies, there are enormous regions of space known as cosmic voids. These are some of the largest structures in the universe, spanning hundreds of millions of light years, yet containing almost no matter. In these regions, galaxies are extremely rare and space is eerily empty. While they may sound insignificant, cosmic voids actually play an important role in the large-scale structure of the universe. They help define the cosmic web, a vast network of filaments where galaxies cluster together, separated by empty gaps. The existence of such huge empty spaces raises deep questions about how matter was distributed after the Big Bang. These voids are not completely empty, but their low density makes them some of the most silent and isolated places in existence, highlighting how uneven and strange the universe truly is. 6. Neutron stars, matter at its extreme limit. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that did not become black holes. Despite being only about 20 kilometers in diameter, they can contain more mass than our sun. This creates matter in one of its most extreme forms. The gravity on a neutron star is so strong that atoms are crushed together, forcing electrons and protons to combine into neutrons. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Some neutron stars rotate extremely fast and are known as pulsars, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses. These objects push matter to its absolute limits, creating conditions that cannot be replicated anywhere on Earth, and helping scientists study physics under extreme pressure and density. 7. The expanding universe and its strange future. The universe is not static. It is continuously expanding. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy, and this expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. This leads to a disturbing possibility known as the Big Freeze, where the universe continues expanding until all galaxies become so distant that no light or heat can reach others. Over trillions of years, stars will burn out, black holes will slowly evaporate, and the universe will become cold and dark. Another possibility is the Big Rip, where dark energy becomes so strong that it eventually tears apart galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms. These scenarios show that the universe has an uncertain and potentially catastrophic future driven by forces we still do not fully understand. 8. The final mystery, what we still don't know. Perhaps the most unsettling truth about the universe is how much remains unknown. Even with advanced telescopes and powerful equations, scientists still cannot explain most of what exists. Dark matter and dark energy remain unsolved mysteries. Black holes still challenge our understanding of physics, especially at their centers where singularities may exist. Quantum mechanics and general relativity do not fully agree, meaning our understanding of reality is incomplete at the most fundamental level. Every discovery seems to reveal even deeper questions. The universe is not just vast. It is layered with hidden dimensions of mystery that we are only beginning to uncover. In the end, the dark side of the universe is not just what we cannot see, but what we have not yet learned to understand. Now, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.